Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening for the people or person of who may be watching this short video of mine. In this video, I will be discussing about discernment, or discernment when I'm in doubt. So, let me first introduce to you of what it is being in doubt really. So, from the book of Trust Your Feelings itself is there's a written that the word doubt itself is synonymously the same as being hesitant, and hesitant is also being equal to being uncertain. So basically, being indecisive is also equal to being uncertain. With that being said, it is clear to say that hesitation is a lack of certainty or information. It includes fear of failure, disappointment, and overthinking things. Moving on, let's now go to the gist of this presentation, the advantage and disadvantages of discernment in doubt. First things first, from the advantage, it buys you time. From the phrase itself, buys you time, it helps you buy more time to prove something is helpful or not. It gives you a critical thinking of something or someone, whether they are helpful for you or everyone else. And the second one from the advantage is explore at your own. From the word itself, explore, it promotes careful decision making, allowing you to explore at your own pace. Let's now move on to disadvantages. So the first thing is the missing of opportunities. There's always a big chance of missing opportunities, allowing yourself to have self and or mental dissatisfactions. Being indecisive, which in result can lead to being dependent from others, allowing yourself to have delayed actions or even the untouched ones. And last but not the least, the best solution in my opinion. Personally, I do think that balancing everything is the best thing to do in this way. It includes doing the things that you honestly do not like doing, along with the things that you love doing. So, me, for example, I honestly do not like washing the dishes. Since I do not have chance, I have no choice but to wash it then. And for the things that you love doing, this may include your hobbies, where I do love spending most of my time. Always remember that balancing things is always an advantage for each and every one of us. If I can do it, and so are you. And that is how and what to do whenever you are to discern in doubt, by allowing yourself to be in the middle of those advantages and disadvantages. See you next time. Peace.